Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name's Ari, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to assemble your ReefBreeders ReefRythm Protein Skimmer step by step. So let's dive into it. Remove the screws and the reaction chamber from the skimmer base. Remove the screws from the skimmer base. Remove the skimmer pump from its base. Attach the pump base to the skimmer base. Slide the pump onto its base. Remove the screw from the bubble plate. Set the diversion cup on the pump and tighten the pump nut. Set the bubble plate on the diversion cup and tighten the screw. Set the skimmer base on top of the skimmer feet. Place the reaction chamber onto the skimmer base and tighten the screws. Insert the water inlet into the pump. Attach the air pipe to the water inlet and silencer, and set the silencer in place. Cut the air pipe to length. Set the collection cup in place. Connect the controller to the pump and power supply. Your skimmer is now fully assembled and ready to get wet. Thanks for tuning in to today's video from ReefBreeders. We hope you found it helpful in your reefing journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and product updates. Until next time, happy reefing.